Hey Planner fam, it's your girl Chakisha from Her Lovely Plan, and I'm coming to you this week to do a plan with me in my mini happy planner that I have franken planned into a budget planner for the week of May 14th through the 20th. And before I keep going, if you're watching this and you're a mom or a mother figure, I hope you had a blessed and wonderful Mother's Day. Now back to the video. So basically I have a few things already laid out. I have some washi here. I'm gonna go with a pink and yellow theme today. I'm kind of getting redirected from my pastels to more of these bright colors. Maybe it's just all of the warm weather that has hit us all of a sudden here in the Richmond, Virginia area. Nevertheless, I'm going with yellows and pinks today with a pop of gold. So if you want to see how this all comes together, continue to watch. But first, before I go, I want to remind you, if you haven't already done so, to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, click the notification bell so you can always be alerted to all of my new uploads. And with that being said, let's plan with me. So guys, I do want to apologize for being out of frame in the majority of this video. I actually had to go in during my editing process and deleting a lot of video coverage because I was out of frame. And I have a bad habit of not paying attention to the camera as I'm doing my plan with me's, just because I get so focused on what I'm doing. So again, I apologize. Bear with me. Over time, I promise I will get better. But you can pretty much see what I am doing. I'm just trying to make sure all the stickers are fitting where I need them to fit, cutting those ones that I need to scale down in sizes that may be a little bit too big for the areas where I'm laying the stickers. So again, I apologize. Okay guys, I have finished my weekly spread in my mini happy planner that I have Franken planned into a budget planner for the week of May 14th through the 20th. And just to kind of point out what I did this week a little bit differently than normal weeks. I pretty much didn't use a lot of actual budget style stickers. I actually have a lot of bills due on Wednesday, so instead of cluttering up using a bunch of these box stickers, I decided to use a checklist sticker so I can list each bill for this particular day that's due. I decided to do a horizontal box sticker with the to-do flag over top of it, or sticker over top of it, just to remind me of what I need to do in regards to bills for this day. And this is don't forget, because I have some important things I need to take care of financially before I go out of town, and I don't want to have these things on my mind. So I made sure I put don't forget. And these had their own little subject titles in there, but I again covered them up with these stickers. This sticker really stuck out to me. Normally I don't use such a big quote sticker in my mini planner, but you know, sometimes when you're planning your budget, your day, or things like that, you have it all written out, you put it down, and it just don't seem to work out. So this really kind of stuck out to me, because this month things haven't really been going as planned, but my goals and my final place that I was trying to reach, my goals that I was trying to reach, those goals never changed. It's just how I was getting there changed. So this sticker right here really spoke to my spirit, and it simply says, if the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never change the goal. So a lot of times we want to do things our way, and our way doesn't always seem to work. So we have to change our plan. And for me, I'm a woman of God. The plan is always God's plan. You know, just to minister to y'all for a minute, you know, our goal as Christians is to live a life of abundance and prosperity, and to owe no man nothing but to love them, and to, you know, just remain free of debt. Don't be a slave of our debt. And it's, you know, can be hard at sometimes, you know, and we make plans to try to get out of that hole or out of that debt, or whatever the circumstances is, so we can reach that goal, which is prosperity and abundance. But we realize that we have to change the plan, because it wasn't the plan that was originally designed for us. And that plan for me is God's plan. But you know, my spirit just told me to share that with you guys. But back to the plan with me. Again, a gold sticker, some flowers throughout, and you know, I put the note to self because I just wanted to kind of get some yellow and pink in there. Do have a nail appointment on Tuesday, and that's about it. So I'm not going to continue to go on, because it's pretty much self-explanatory. You saw how I laid my stickers. But if you do have any questions about the stickers I used, or just any questions in general, feel free to drop a comment below. Also, go ahead and like this video. And again, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel, and as well click that notification button so you can always receive alerts when I upload new videos. And as well, share this video with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. Until next time, planner fam, peace.